The Philadelphia Experiment Conspiracy. The Philadelphia Experiment is an event during 1943 in which the United States Navy purportedly teleported a Navy destroyer escort, the USS Eldridge, DE-173, from Philadelphia to Norfolk. They also made it invisible, as in, to the naked eye. Most people believe the incident was either a hoax or the ravings of a lunatic. However, some still believe that it may have really occurred and that there is a large conspiracy to cover it up. What is interesting is that the tale of the Philadelphia experiment has made it into the annals of American legend. The Philadelphia Experiment. The story of the Philadelphia experiment begins in October of 1943 in Norfolk, Virginia, though the story did not turn up until more than 10 years later. Purportedly, some men aboard the SS Andrew Furuseth saw a ship spontaneously appear in the water in Norfolk on October 28. The story goes that it came from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The destroyer had first disappeared and then it instantaneously teleported to Norfolk. The disappearance and the teleportation were apparently two different functions of the experiment. In other words, the disappearance was not the result of the teleportation, but rather came before it. Once the USS Eldridge reached Norfolk, it was clear something went wrong. Some of the men had disappeared during the trip. Others had gone mad. Some kept becoming invisible and then regaining their forms. Others still had become fused, yes, fused, with the ship in various ways. Perhaps that is why no US ships currently have invisibility cloaks and teleportation devices. It could also be that the story is completely false. Carlos Allen's claims. The story of the Philadelphia experiment comes from a man named Carl Allen or Carlos Allende, his pseudonym. Carlos wrote a detailed description of the event, along with claims he was a witness aboard the SS Andrew Furuseth when the USS Eldridge arrived in Norfolk, Virginia. He sent the description to the US Navy's Office of Naval Research. The public got hold of the story and it took off, despite the many unlikely events described in the letter. Carlos Allende wrote that the Philadelphia experiment was made possible by Einstein's unified field theory. Einstein supposedly told Carlos all about it himself. This is not direct proof that the story is a mere myth, but it does lend a bit to the crazy factor of the claims. The USS Eldridge, like most other Navy ships, especially in war times, had a thorough log of where it had been in October of 1943 and the months around it. These logs are currently public information. According to them, the ship was nowhere near Philadelphia in October 1943. The SS Andrew Furuseth was also not in Norfolk at any time the Eldridge was present. Furthermore, William S. Dodge, the man in command of the boat at the time of the Philadelphia experiment, later said that neither he nor any of his crew saw anything strange in Norfolk, Virginia. Fast forward to 1984. The movie, The Philadelphia Experiment, emerged. In the movie, two men stationed on a ship travel forward in time after an experiment to make the ship invisible to radar goes terribly awry. The image of a sailor's body partially melted into the deck of the ship burned into the public's psyche, and it would contribute to the persistence of the urban legend. So, there is no proof of Einstein's connection to a naval project aimed at the invisibility of solid objects and teleportation. There is no evidence that Carlos Allende met Einstein or that Einstein developed such technology. However, evidence contrary to the USS Eldridge's alleged presence in Philadelphia and Norfolk on October 28, 1943, does exist. And there are counterclaims to Allen's that others witnessed the event. No proof exists apart from the writings of Carlos Allende that supports the legend of the Philadelphia experiment.